HCL Basics, Mastering the Essentials of HashiCorp Configuration Language. Introduction to HCL. HashiCorp Configuration Language, HCL, is the bedrock of Terraform, an increasingly popular infrastructure as code tool. Understanding HCL is crucial for anyone looking to harness the full potential of Terraform. This presentation delves into the essentials of HCL, covering data types, blocks, attributes, function, conditional statement, and resource dependency. Data types in HCL. HCL supports various data types that are fundamental to defining infrastructure. Strings represents textual data, for example, hello world. Number for numerical values, both integers and floating point, for example, 42 or 3.14. Boolean represents true or false values. List, also called array, a sequence of values, typically of the same data type, example 1, 2, 3, etc. Map, also called object, a collection of key value pairs, for example, name John, age 30. Understanding this data type is critical as they define the properties of your infrastructure in Terraform. Blocks in HCL. Blocks are the primary configuration structure in HCL, forming the backbone of Terraform scripts. They encapsulate related configuration parameters. Common type of blocks include resource blocks, define the infrastructure component like a virtual machine or a network interface. Variable blocks declare variables used to customize Terraform configuration. Provider blocks specify the providers like AWS, Google Cloud, and their configuration. Output blocks define the outputs from the Terraform execution. One important thing, attribute in HCL. Attributes are the named arguments within a block that assign a specific value to a property. They follow the syntax key equal value. For example, in a resource block defining an AWS instance, AMI equal AMI and the value. Set the AMI ID for the instance. Function in HCL. HCL includes a variety of built-in functions that you can use to manipulate and transform data. Functions allow for more dynamic and flexible configurations. Examples include numeric function like max and min, string function, format or replace, collection function, length and element, type conversion function to string to number, conditional statement in HCL. Conditional statement in HCL enable logic-driven configuration, allowing for dynamic configuration setup based on specific conditions. The syntax typically involves condition, question mark, true val, colon, false val. For instance, you can create different resources based on environment variables or other conditions. Resource dependency in HCL. Understanding dependencies between resources is crucial in HCL. Implicit dependency Terraform automatically understands certain dependency, like a virtual machine depending on a network is defined to use. Explicit dependencies. Sometimes dependencies aren't automatically recognized. Here, depends_on can be used to explicitly declare a dependency. Conclusion. Grasping this fundamental aspect or HCL paves the way for efficient and effective Terraform script writing. Whether it's defining the data type, structuring your configuration with blocks, utilizing attributes for specific properties, leveraging the power of functions, incorporating conditional logic, or managing resource dependencies, each element plays a vital role in the orchestration of your infrastructure. Embarking on this journey of mastering HCL equips you with the skill to efficiently deploy and manage infrastructure, making a significant step in your DevOps and cloud engineering endeavors.